This weekend has been amazing. It's been filled with community. Everyone here is so approachable. Everyone here is willing to share. We're just in there rooting for each other. Hi, my name is Marlo Villanueva, and I'm from Concord, California. I found Heroic while scrolling late at night on Instagram. This was a time in my life where I was struggling to manage my stress and anxiety. I had gastrointestinal issues. I felt like I had very little control in my life. And guess what? I was also a new dad. So you can imagine that I didn't have very much control of my time. I would literally just go on the Heroic app and listen to some wisdom late at night in between milk feeds and diaper changes for my little one. Man, that was transformational. I got my blood cholesterol level to normal. I eliminated my gastrointestinal issues. I felt like I had more energy in my life, which helped me become a more engaged husband and father. And that was when I knew what flourishing felt like. I was so inspired by this change that I went all in and signed up to become a Heroic coach. This weekend has been amazing. It's been filled with community. It's been filled with love. We got to witness Brian do a live one-on-one on Antifragile Confidence. And man, was that awesome. I got to connect with new people. I saw some people that I'm connected to on the Heroic app. I think we can mentor each other, both as someone who's been doing this for a long time and seeing a new perspective from someone who's rather new to the program, and also coming from the other side, right? Like the folks that are trying to get into it, you can tap into all this knowledge and experience and take that away with you. You hear everyone's idiosyncratic ways of expressing their best self in energy, work, and love, and things that they've done with their coaching business. Everyone here is so approachable. Everyone here is willing to share. If we're gonna go far, we're gonna go together. We're just in there rooting for each other.